Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
It was nearly sunset, and Byzantine, the famous scholar of the city, was anxiously pacing back and forth.
I just heard that the evil King Mamun named the 8th Imam al-Raza. Why would the king give the Imam a title that means content or happy? And why would the Imam accept a title from such a cruel king? I just cannot comprehend this. There must be a good explanation, but I can't figure it out.
The longer he paced, the more confused he became. As the day turned into night, Byzantine's confusion grew and he began to lose sleep over his burning questions.
Enough is enough. I need some answers. I won't sleep a wink if my questions go unanswered.
Byzantine left his home quickly to seek help from Imam al-Raza's son, Imam al-Jawad. He left in such a hurry that he even forgot to blow out his lamp.
What could be his hurry so late at night?
Why is this man running?
Byzantine was determined to get answers to his questions. When he finally reached Imam al-Jawad's home, he hesitated before knocking.
What if the Imam is resting? What if I disturb him and his family? Maybe it was a mistake to come so late at night.
Salamun alaikum. Who's there?
Oh, Alhamdulillah. The Imam opened the door. Salamun alaikum. O my beloved Imam al-Jawad, I hope I did not disturb you.
Wa alaikum salam. No, not at all, dear Byzantine. I was expecting you. Please come in.
Some questions have been bothering me for ages. The more I think about them, the more confused I become. Please, grant me permission to ask you for some answers.
As soon as Byzantine sat down, he asked his pressing questions.
O son of the Prophet, some of the enemies of Allah believe that Mamun chose the title Raza for your father. However, we all know that Mamun is your enemy as well as your father's, so how can this be true?
Imam al-Jawad smiled patiently.
I swear by Allah that they have lied. This title was given to my father by the Almighty Allah. He was given this title because my father was always content with whatever Allah chose for him.
May I ask another question? Weren't all the prophets and imams content with what Allah had chosen for them? How come only your father was given the title al-Raza?
Yes, you're right. But my father was given this name because not only was he content with Allah, Allah was content with him, and even his enemies were content with him.
His enemies were pleased with him. But why?
Let me tell you a story. One day, Mamun sought to embarrass my father, so he invited some of the best scholars to debate with him, thinking he would lose. However, with the help of Allah, my father debated so well that everyone was left awestruck of his knowledge. All the scholars left with smiles on their faces. They congratulated Mamun on having such a wise advisor, which made Mamun pleased and content with Imam al-Raza.
Subhanallah, that is amazing. Finally, I have received an explanation to the thoughts that had me burning with curiosity. You have put my heart at rest with your answers. Thank you for sharing your wisdom. I bid you a happy farewell.
As Byzantine made his way home, the sky was now completely dark.
Look at how peaceful and happy he is. Surely he has just come from Imam al-Jawad's house. That is the look many leave with when they return from that blessed home.
Bismillah. I'm home. Wait, what is that? I must have left in such a hurry that I forgot to blow out this lamp. Now my mind is at peace and my heart is content. Just speaking about Imam al-Raza, the content one can have such an effect on a person.
As Byzantine blew out his lamp, he couldn't help but notice how content the night sky looked. May the blessings and peace of Allah be upon Imam Ali al-Raza, who truly lived up to his name, the Content One.